Streamline transaction processing with CSV bank statements. Say goodbye to tedious transaction processing with PDF bank statements. Manual transaction processing with PDF bank statements can be a hassle. Upgrade your process by giving your accountant a more efficient method, a CSV bank statement. This format allows for easy analysis and manipulation of transactions, while still providing a backup in PDF format for reference. Steps to download bank statement in CSV format. Log into your bank account with your username and password. Go to the Accounts or Transactions section of the bank website. Select the desired account for the statement. Set the date range for the statement. Click the Download or Export button and choose CSV as the format. Open the file in a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Save the file to your computer. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.